Hello everyone, this is Kulets of Megabytes and welcome to my channel. We have a good news. So starting 10 a.m. on July 27, today, people born before December 31, 1983 and people whose appointments were cancelled due to the typhoon in Ilan County and Keelung City, and people who received a text messages but haven't scheduled an appointment in the third round will receive a text message to remind them to make a vaccination appointment. And guess what? I just received a text message today at 12 p.m. Whoa! Yeah. So this round of registration is scheduled to end at 12 p.m. on July 29. So that will be 2 days from now. The available brand of vaccine for vaccination in this round is the AstraZeneca vaccine. So it will be administered to eligible recipients between July 30 and August 6. I'm going to show you how to make an appointment. Okay, so this is the website where you can make your reservation for the vaccination. So it's 1922.gov.tw/vas/. It is better to view using your Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, and a desktop view of your cell phone or Android tablet. To translate the website, do a right click and click on Translate to English or your preferred language. Okay, so since we are going to make an appointment, click on Reserve. The first method with the brown box is what I'm going to use, using an ID card number or ARC and an NHI card or a health insurance card number. So for foreigners, the brown box is what we are going to use, unless you have the necessary requirement for the other boxes. On the next page, please enter the ID card number or ARC. Then, enter your health insurance card number or NHI card. The health insurance card number of NHI can be found at the bottom left of the card. Then after that, please enter the graphic verification code or the security. After verifying your NHI and ARC card number, you will be sent to this page. You have at least 10 minutes to finish the registration. So the first one is your ARC number, and then you have to write your registered name in Taiwan. Then write your phone number or your cell phone number. Select your desired location for vaccination. So here I'm selecting Tainan City, Annan District. However, when I look at the vaccination venues in Annan District, Tainan City, it's already fully booked. So what should I do? You cannot choose your time or date if the location is already fully booked. So what I did is I tried looking for other districts. So I tried the East District and it's still fully booked. And then I tried the North District because we're actually near the North District. And I'm very lucky because there's still 4 venues. So I was checking which vaccination venue is nearer to my place. And then I tried to look again and I noticed that there are only 3 left. So it is important to do this as soon as possible because people may be reserving as we speak or as you are watching. And you may not have any available vaccine left if you are too slow. Okay, so I selected this one, but when I check, there are no more available time. So I guess people are really fast and quick. Only means that people are really doing the reservation now. So you must be quick. So I just selected this one and then I guess I'll try to do the 11 to 12 because it's easier. And then I changed my mind because maybe it's better to do it earlier. And then when I check with just few seconds actually, I just noticed that there are already 2 slots taken. So I just choose the most convenient time for me and then click the reservation as soon as possible. Otherwise, I might not have any more vaccine if I'm too slow. Okay, after that, I got the confirmation and then print. Of course, I don't have a printer, so what I do is save to PDF file. So I have a copy. I will not have any problems if I go there because I'm actually going there alone on Wednesday. Okay, so this is my information number and then my everything is here. So on August 4th from 10 to 11 a.m. I will have my vaccination here in North District, Tainan City. So what are you waiting for? If you have received the text message do this as soon as possible. I'm not sure if there are still vaccination venues left near your place, but try to find as much as possible because there may be still some vaccination venue, especially on remote areas. So I hope this video is helpful. Still keep safe, maintain social distancing, and also do your own self-precaution. And remember that prevention is better than cure. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe to get the latest update.